Understanding coconut oil, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in everyday English: coconut oil. We'll break down its meaning, uses, and some interesting facts about it. Whether you're cooking, shopping, or just curious, understanding this phrase will enrich your English vocabulary. Let's dive in. Coconut oil is a tropical oil derived from the kernel or meat of mature coconuts harvested from the coconut palm. It has various applications in food, medicine, and industry. The term coconut oil can be broken down into two parts. Coconut, a large, brown, hard-shelled seed of the tropical coconut palm, containing white flesh and a milky liquid. Oil, a viscous liquid derived from plants, animals, or petrochemicals, used for various purposes. Coconut oil is renowned for its versatility. Let's look at some of its common uses. Cooking. Due to its high smoke point and pleasant taste, it's widely used in frying, baking, and as a dairy-free alternative to butter. Skin and hair care. It's a popular choice in cosmetics for moisturizing skin and hair. Health benefits. Often found in health supplements, coconut oil is believed to offer various health benefits, though these claims should be approached with caution. Coconut oil holds significant importance in various cultures, particularly in tropical regions where coconuts are abundant. In these areas, it's not just a cooking ingredient but a part of traditional medicine and cultural practices. Understanding this context can give you insight into how language reflects cultural values and practices. In English, coconut oil can sometimes be used metaphorically or in idiomatic expressions. For instance, someone might say, "This is the coconut oil of the tech industry," implying it's a versatile and sought-after element in that field. Being aware of such uses helps in understanding the flexibility of language. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, coconut oil, and its various dimensions in English. Remember, language is not just about words but also about culture, context, and usage. Keep exploring and expanding your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.